Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your networking event strategy with Eventbrite easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your networking event strategy with Eventbrite, start by logging into your Eventbrite account. If you don't have an account, create a new one by visiting the Eventbrite website. Once logged in, navigate to the Events tab in the main menu. Select Create Event to start planning your networking event. In the event creation form, fill out the basic details like event name, date, and location. Make sure your event description clearly outlines the purpose of the networking opportunity. Consider adding keywords related to the industry to attract the right audience. After entering the basic details, scroll down to the Tickets section. Create different ticket types if needed, such as general admission and VIP access. Set pricing that reflects the value of your event and is competitive within the market. Next, move to the Promotions tab to enhance your event visibility. Utilize Eventbrite's promotional tools, like discount codes or partnerships. Check the Analytics tab for insights on your event's performance. Monitor ticket sales and engagement metrics to gauge interest. To further analyze your strategy, create and manage a survey for attendees. Gather feedback on their experiences and suggestions for future events. After your event concludes, review the survey results and analytics data. Use this information to refine and adjust your networking event strategy for future events. Make necessary changes based on the insights gathered from your attendees. Regularly revisit and validate your strategy to ensure it remains effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.